The Indian Lok Sabha election is nearing its penultimate stage with polls for the sixth phase set to be held on May 25th. However, the political heat remains high as BJP's Samit Patra's remarks on Lord Jagannath Mandir have sparked controversy. And on top of that, political attacks continue unabated. Let's take a look at all the election updates in this video. Bharatiya Janata Party's Puri candidate Samit Patra caused a major political controversy with his remark that Odisha's most revered deity, Lord Jagannath, is a bhakt of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Top leaders like Naveen Patnaik, Mallikarjun Kharge, Rahul Gandhi and Arvind Kejriwal strongly criticized the BJP for this statement. Samit Patra later described his comment as a slip of the tongue.
से भितरे गोटे न्यूज चैनल रे एई विषय को उपस्थापित करू करू भूल रे उल्टा कहीदेली मु कहीदेली कि जगन्नाथ मोदी का भक्त यह बहुत बड़ भूल मु जानी किंतु अजाणत रे जहाँ को इंग्राजी रे कहते स्लिप ऑफ टंग मो हृदय भीतर से विषय नथिला से गोटे चैनल रे मु से विषय कही देछि.
Opposition parties seized on Patra's remark to corner the BJP. Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera demanded Patra's resignation from the party over this comment.
निकालिए, हिम्मत दिखाइए और भक्तों की जो आस्था है उस पे उसका सम्मान करते हुए संबित पात्रा को आप पार्टी से बाहर निकालिए और नरेंद्र मोदी जी को खुद को इस पूरी दुनिया में भगवान जगन्नाथ के जितने भी भक्त हैं, करोड़ों करोड़ों भक्त हैं, अमेरिका में भी हैं, कनाडा में भी हैं, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, सब जगह है. मैं जहाँ जाता हूँ वहाँ जय जगन्नाथ की बात सुनता हूँ. उन सबसे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी को आज 24 घंटे में माफी मांग लेनी चाहिए. यही हम सबके लिए अच्छा होगा, इस सृष्टि के लिए अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि सृष्टि में जो आस्था है उससे बड़ा और कोई मुझे नहीं लगता आभूषण हमारे पास है. उसका अपमान करने का हक किसी को नहीं.
In his speech in Bihar's East Champaran, Prime Minister Narendra Modi also referred to the feast Rahul Gandhi had enjoyed at Lalu Prasad's residence last year. He said those who refused the invitation to the consecration of Ram Temple in Ayodhya had no problem in sharing a meal with the corrupt. The Prime Minister also launched indirect attacks on leaders like Rahul Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav and Tejashwi Yadav, who he said were born with silver spoons. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on 21st May participated in the political campaign for the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, calling Prime Minister Narendra Modi anti-tribal for jailing the top tribal leader in the country. Kejriwal accused him of plotting to overthrow the Aam Aadmi Party and Jharkhand Mukti Morcha governments. Kejriwal claimed that Prime Minister Modi hates tribals and urged voters not to support the BJP, saying it would betray Jharkhand and its tribal people.
मोदी जी आदिवासी समाज से नफरत करते हैं. हेमंत सोरेन जी केवल झारखंड के नेता नहीं हैं, हेमंत सोरेन जी पूरे देश के आदिवासी समाज के सबसे बड़े नेता हैं.
West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee said she was heartbroken over women's plight in Sandesh Khali. However, she asserted that the BJP should not have played with the dignity of women there as the Saffron Camps conspiracy now stands exposed. Addressing a rally in Basirhat, Banerjee slammed Prime Minister Modi for talking to BJP candidate Rekha Patra, who is also a Sandesh Khali protester, over the phone, alleging that the country has the worst track record in terms of women's safety and security under the BJP rule. That's all for today. If you like this video, like and subscribe to Indian Express only on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.